Welcome to day 13 of Wisdom Academy AI, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your super thrilled AI guide, and I'm absolutely buzzing with excitement today. Have you ever wondered how AI can classify things, like deciding if an email is spam or not, with magical accuracy? We're about to master logistic regression, a powerful classification technique, and it's going to be an unforgettable journey. You won't want to miss a second of this adventure, so let's get started. Logistic regression is our star today, and I'm so excited to share its magic. It's a supervised machine learning algorithm designed specifically for classification tasks, not regression, despite its name. It predicts categories like yes or no, true or false, or 0 and 1, making decisions clear and simple. For example, it can classify emails as spam or not spam, helping us filter our inbox effectively. It uses probability to decide which category an item belongs to, making it super intuitive. Despite its name, it's all about classification, not predicting numbers like linear regression. This makes it a magical tool for binary outcomes. I'm so thrilled to dive deeper. Why use logistic regression? Let's find out. I'm so thrilled to share its benefits. It's simple and interpretable, making it perfect for classification tasks, especially for beginners starting out. It works wonderfully for binary classification problems, where we need to choose between two categories. It's fast to train and easy to understand, saving us time while delivering clear results. For example, it can predict if a customer will buy a product, helping businesses target their marketing. It also gives probabilities, not just yes or no answers, adding depth to our predictions. Logistic regression is a foundational spell for classification magic. I'm so excited to explore it. Let's compare binary and multi-class logistic regression, and I'm so thrilled to explain the difference. Binary logistic regression handles two categories, like classifying emails as spam or not spam, keeping it simple. Multi-class logistic regression deals with more than two categories, such as classifying animals as cat, dog, or bird, expanding our options. It uses techniques like one versus rest, where it breaks the problem into multiple binary classifications for each category. For example, we can classify images of animals into multiple labels, identifying them accurately. This extends the magic to more categories, making it incredibly useful. Logistic regression is a versatile tool for complex classification. I love its flexibility. Evaluating logistic regression models is so important, and I'm so eager to share how we do it. We use metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to measure how well our model classifies data correctly. A confusion matrix shows true positives, false negatives, and other outcomes, giving us a detailed view of performance. We also use the ROC curve and AUC to evaluate how well the model handles probabilities across thresholds. Accuracy alone isn't enough. We need to dig deeper to understand misclassifications and improve. These metrics ensure our classification magic shines, confirming our model's reliability. Let's measure our spell's success. I'm so excited to see the results. The confusion matrix is a powerful tool, and I'm so thrilled to share how it works. It's a matrix that compares true versus predicted classifications, showing where our model succeeds or fails. True positives, or TP, are the correctly predicted yes cases, like correctly identifying spam emails. False negatives, or FN, are the missed yes predictions, where we failed to catch a spam email, for example. True negatives and false positives complete the matrix, covering all outcomes of our predictions. This visualizes where our magic needs tweaking, highlighting errors to improve. It's a powerful tool for classification insights. I'm so excited to use it. The ROC curve and AUC are magical metrics, and I'm so thrilled to share how they work. The ROC curve plots the true positive rate against the false positive rate, showing how well our model distinguishes classes. AUC, or area under the curve, ranges from 0 to 1, with a higher value meaning better probability predictions across thresholds. For example, an AUC of 0.9 indicates an excellent model, capable of separating spam from non-spam effectively. This measures how well our magic separates classes, giving us confidence in our predictions. It's a magical way to evaluate performance. I'm so excited to see its insights. Logistic regression has amazing real-world applications, and I'm so inspired to share them. In business, it can predict customer churn, determining if a customer will leave, yes or no, helping retain them. In healthcare, it diagnoses diseases, classifying patients as having a disease or not, aiding medical decisions. In marketing, it predicts ad click-through rates, helping optimize campaigns for better engagement. In finance, it assesses credit risk, predicting if a borrower will default or not, guiding lending decisions. Logistic regression is a versatile spell for classification tasks, making a difference everywhere. It impacts many fields with AI magic. I'm so thrilled by its reach. Here are some tips for using logistic regression, and I'm so thrilled to share my wizard wisdom. Start with binary classification for simplicity, as it's easier to grasp when you're just beginning with AI. Check for balanced data before training, ensuring you have enough yes and no examples to avoid bias. Use visualizations, like scatter plots, to understand the decision boundaries and confirm the model's fit. Experiment with regularization, like L1 or L2, to avoid overfitting and keep your model generalizable. Keep practicing to perfect your magic, as hands-on experience is key. These tips will make you a classification wizard. I'm so excited for your progress.